Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dipti. First thing I am filming vlog. Actually, whenever we go out, I always try to film a vlog and something, but it never happened because yeah, it never happened. Actually, I has taken so many vlogs. I already it has in my camera, but I never I never finish it. So today we are in Connecticut for my husband's visit. We all are here for 2 days. So he's already off to office and we are in hotel. So I was thinking, why cannot I take vlog here? I'm just relaxing, no work for mama. I so इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना, मस्त रिलैक्स लग रहा है, मस्त एसी रूम. एवा, ओए, वहाँ पे क्या है बेबी? Come on. And they have this big frame here, and this is so beautiful. I like simple. And this phone, I'll tell you about this phone, why this is up here. And like curtains, beautiful. And this because yeah, some cartoons for Eva. And this lamp and some pillows. And now here all the pillows are down because Miss Eva is playing with pillow. And then this tiny frames are here. These are beautiful. Yeah. So as I told you, we always try to get a hotel with kitchen because our baby is still little. She doesn't eat a lot of outside food. Mostly she doesn't eat. So I want to cook for her. So I bought like dal, rice, vegetables, and fruits. So I can make khichdi, dal, rice, and fruit purees, vegetable purees. So I bought blender as well, a mini blender I have for just for her. So I bought that. So it's kind of relaxing. So our baby can eat a good food, and for us is okay. Even for us, we can make sandwich or something because I have everything. So it's kind of a good visit. So guys, we are out for a dinner, an Indian restaurant, and yeah, this restaurant is good, right? My husband is saying he didn't like it, but yeah, okay. So we're gonna see a food, and we order biryani, dosa for Eva, and look at this is how this hotel, pretty good. The less crowd, maybe it's Monday, and we they have given this as a snack. What is it? Mm. What's this? Curry curry?
Chicken marwal.
Chicken and
Yeah, sure.
everybody's having fun. Yummy. So we bought a milk for Eva. So she actually drink a grass-fed milk. So I'm just gonna hot the milk so she can drink and sleep. She actually had dosa well, so no worry. Good morning everyone. It is the second day in hotel and I'm preparing tea for me because I need tea to feel fresh. And I found we got a milk for Eva, so I am using that, and they have tea sachets. So I'm just mixing them together and boiling and making Indian tea. So this is the milk we got for Eva from Whole Food because we thought she can. Guys, I am making tea for me. They have only this little utensil, so I'm using this one. I washed it and I'm just boiling my tea, and I'm so happy that I'm getting our tea now. So guys, can you see? We are keeping the phone is up here because it was here down and Eva was literally pulling and calling pressing the number. So we didn't find a space here, so we just thought this lamp is good. It has, you can actually put here. So this phone is here. Safe. For Eva, I got this few toys, and I don't know where. I think other few toys are in car. So, and also she loves to read a book, so I got this small books so she can actually say. She loves to say ABCD, like little words she's learning. So I have this few toys for her to entertainment her. बाप रे एवा, कहाँ से लेके आई वो? किचन से? चुच्चू? कहाँ से लग गया है वो? What's that? Is the toy for you? It is not. Hmm? We have so many toys, but you want all the utensils, brushes. Hmm? Go back. Go back. From where did you get it? Put it back. Hmm. Inside. Eva. Eva. It's fun for Eva. Chichu. Nanu. Avocado smoothie. So we just bought this avocado and apple from Whole Food. Actually, I use mostly Fuji apple because those are like sweet and creamy. So I'm gonna use this. So before that, I'm just using peeled apple and cutting into small pieces and just adding them together. And just to blend them together, I'm gonna add little water because you know avocado is very thick. So I'm gonna add water, and now I'm just gonna blend into a nice creamy paste. This is really a yummy, guys. You should try. Even I love it. Sometimes I eat it. So there, yeah. Just making the smooth paste so it's easy for her. Like she can eat now. She's a big girl, but this is avocado, so it's better to make a soft paste like this. The consistency should be very creamy, and now I'm just gonna feed it to my baby girl. She's waiting. And guys, I'm gonna make a sandwich for lunch. He's coming and he said make a sandwich. We actually, this is really a simple recipe I follow. So I'm gonna cut the tomato, like basically try to cut the tomato in very thin slices because you won't notice and won't feel that like thick when you bite sandwich. And so I'm cutting zucchini and then avocado. Yeah, we are avocado family. We love avocado. So I'm just cutting avocados, and these are the slices. And now just I have butter. I'm gonna spread, like we got this cube butters, so I'm spreading all over the bread. Yeah, for this is for me, so I'm just adding some extra butter. And just adding all these veggies together and some salt, and then just pepper. Yeah, we found the salt and pepper sachets here, so we are using this. So yeah, so pepper, I love. And this is so yummy, guys. You should try this recipe. There is no meat, but still so yummy and creamy. So I'm done. I have to pack it up. Yes, so I'm packing now because I don't want to forget anything. We have. So hey guys, we are headed back to home and it's raining, so we decided to go home and just relax because we cannot go anywhere if it's raining. So
Have cereal. I like it. Hot cereal, cooked cereal. And then I only get to bed a little bit early, but I work till 5 or 6.
it's raining, guys.
Quartz millstones from the 1800s. By the way, Bob actually keeps a mason jar full of the very first product to come off of those stones. Red wheat. Website. Hey, thanks so much for sticking around because it's time now for how you built that. And today's story starts back in 2015 when Mike Bolas was working as a lawyer in.
Hey guys, we reached home. It was a beautiful rainy drive, and that's it for a day. And I really hope so you like my first vlog. If you like this vlog, please let me know in comments. Do subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.